Welcome back to another studio vlog. Today we're going to look at postcards. My new summer collection is now up on Etsy and on Shopify. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into today's vlog. So as you can see, I am launching some postcards. These are brand new. I've actually trialed printing these outside because I wanted to try and see what I felt like the quality would be like, and it means then I can free up some time to do some other things within the business, because actually it's quite time consuming to make sure every product is manufactured in-house. So I'll still be doing various like print, stickers and other products in-house, but I think I might start to outsource things like my postcards and perhaps bookmarks and things like that. And the cool thing is I get to work with a different product. This is, I believe, 300 or 350, I need to double check, but it's a thicker card and it's got a laminate on the front, but on the back it is perfectly it's matte, so you can still write with the pen. It will easily go on, and I'm really excited to be launching these today. So I have a few new designs. Let me show you what we've got. We've got one of my favourites, giraffes. I'm obsessed with these at the moment. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? Hand designed on Procreate by me. And then we have Dream Explore. No, we don't. We have Dream Again. I'm just making this up, guys. So we've got Dream Again with a camper van for summer, which I just think was super cute. And we have a little space for the address and the message in the back. I've colour coordinated these so that it kind of fits with the design. Then we have the newest one that was chosen by my Instagram community. So if you're watching this and you helped choose this design, so if you're watching this and you helped choose this design, thank you so much, because I asked my Instagram community for some help with this one. This is the Peach You Are Very, You Are Very Cute. And we also have our classic ice cream trio. Sorry guys, I keep moving the camera away. We have our ice cream trio postcard, and I'm super excited to have that back again this year. Some of the postcards that I've got left from last year I'm going to sell as reduced because I like them, but I really am much happier with this quality, so I will be moving forward using this kind of quality. And this is the for a special berry, which I thought I would do something different with the strawberries. If you know me, I'm obsessed with strawberries. I love them. And of course I've got my strawberry washi tape, and I'm building out, I've got planner stickers for strawberries, so I want to build out a little collection, and this is going to help me do that. So you can purchase these on Etsy or on my website or on Facebook and Instagram. And I'm about to round the corners off of each of these. I bought them square, but I'm going to round them off, and I will show you, I will take you on the journey with me.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
just have to say apologies for the light. I'm actually in the middle of getting ready for this market and also trying to keep things tidy and tidy up along the way because I left it in a little bit of a rush. I've also got a very exciting package from Beatrice from A Penis Illustrator, and I'm super excited to open that with you today on the vlog. I was really stuck to choose what to pick from her shop in a recent update, so yeah, we will open that together later on in the vlog, and then I will pop a link below if you want to check it out. If you didn't already know, Beatrice and I had a fab catch up on the Frimmy World Studio podcast, which is also linked below, and I highly recommend it if you're a creator to check it out. It's so encouraging, it's a good fun listen. Yeah, I'm in the middle of a podcast break, but I will be back in about a week's time from when this vlog comes out, so make sure you jump down and subscribe, check it out. It's coming back all new, all fresh, and I can't wait to share with you more. Opening a package is like the best feeling. I was so excited to open this. I've had it for a few weeks, but I was here, there and everywhere, so this was the first chance I got to open it. And how beautiful. I think I ordered a bag and a notebook, and I have some beautiful, oh wow, beautiful little stickers, and oh wow, these are so cool. In these gifts. Let's see what's inside the bag. Oh wow. So, as you can see, this is a cotton tote bag that Bea actually makes herself. I absolutely loved my gift. Thank you so much, Bea, for this. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to open more. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this vlog today. I am going to go and get ready. I've had a bit of a busy week, and of course the market is in a couple of days, so I hope you enjoyed. Do like, subscribe, let me know what you thought. I'm making the vlog shorter just so that it's much more interesting and focused for people, and so I'd love to hear what you think about the shorter vlogs. And that's all. Don't forget this week to frame your words so you can frame your world.